In this class we will know important commands for creating sketches, which will make mirroring geometry and remove sharp edges. Open the file available and let's begin. Note that we part of a sketch drawn to the center line, indicating that it is a symmetric geometry. To close this symmetric geometry quickly, use the Mirror Entities command. Edit the sketch and activate the command. In the Property Manager, SolidWorks tells us that we must select the entities to mirror and the reference line for mirroring. The copy option is to copy the entities. A quick way to make the selection is to click the mouse off the drawing area and drag, drawing a box around the entities. We selected the center line as a line to the mirror and see the preview is shown. We confirm the command and see the mirror held. Undo the application by pressing Ctrl-Z. Again activated the command Mirror Entities, select all the geometry and the reference line, however, deactivate the copy option. We confirm and note that the geometry was mirrored, however, without keeping the original entities. We left the sketch and selected in the project tree. Floating toolbar, we click on the Hide option. We edit the next sketch and we will create the center line to the mirror. We click the arrow on the command line and choose Center Line. From the origin, trace the center line. The center line is important to create the design. In this sketch we'll use another mirror command, Dynamic Mirror, located in the Tools, Sketch Tools. After activating the command, we must click on a reference line, in our case, the center line. Notice that now all draw on one side of the reference line is mirrored automatically. To disable the command, you must click on it again. We turned off the geometries created with the dynamic mirror and we will remove the sharp edges of this geometry, adding chamfers and rounding. To apply chamfers, activated the Sketch Chamfer command. See what we have to Angle Distance option, for which we need to define an angle and a distance. Then we click on the apex of the corner to be chamfered. With the distance option, define two values for the chamfer. Marking the equal distance option, define only one value for the two edges formed by the chamfer and clicking on the desired vertices. To apply a rounding, activated the Sketch Fill It command. We define the radius value and clicking on the vertices for the application. We confirm the command and our geometry is ready. Save this geometry because we will use later in our course. We have seen in this class some important commands for creating sketches, which will be very useful for your day-to-day modeling in SolidWorks.